went out late Saturday night. I had my hair piled high, but baby, she looked so right. Well, pick you up and take God, hand you home by two. Mama don't know what gonna stop you. That's alright, cause we're looking as cool as can be. They had a hi-fi phono and boy did they let it blast. 700 little records, all rock, rhythm and jazz. But when the sun went down, the rapid tempo of the music fell. Said I be, say the old folks, goes to show you never can tell. Something's gotten hold of my heart, keeping my soul and my senses apart. Something's gotten into my life, cutting its way through my dreams like a knife, turning me up and turning me down, making me smile and making me frown. I saw her today, I saw her face, it was a face I loved, and I knew I had to run away and get down on my knees and pray that they'd go away. Still they begin, needles and pins, because of all my pride, the tears I got it's a long time to be gone.